Alrighty, so let's do a little math here, right? This is adding or subtracting. And the rule for this is that the uncertainty of a sum or difference is the sum of the uncertainties. And when we say the uncertainties here, we mean the absolute uncertainty. So like this 0.2 is the absolute uncertainty, and that's the absolute uncertainty there. So this is actually pretty simple, right? 13.1 plus 12.1, I think is at 25.2. So that's the answer. And then we just add the uncertainties. Even if we subtract the number, we still add the uncertainty. So it's plus or minus 0.7. Okay. And then these guys here, this is like higher math. So I'm going to consult the calculator gods here. 23.12 minus 16.25. I don't want to embarrass myself, but that is, let's see, 23.12 minus 16.25. My calculator says that's 6.87. Right? And then even though we're subtracting, we don't subtract the uncertainties. Otherwise, in this case, we got like a negative uncertainty. I'm not sure what that would mean. Right? So here, this is plus or minus 0.03. Okay. And then these guys, we can add these guys together. Let's see, 7 plus 4 is 11. And 1, that's a 5. And 151, and then it's plus or minus. We add these guys here, right? So that's 7. Right? The answers are over here, so we're, I think we're getting them right. Okay, and then this guy here, we subtract this one from this one, and I think I can do that in my head. That's 0.2. Right, and then plus or minus, we still would add these guys, so plus or minus 0.6. And that, I think, is kind of funny, because what does 0.2 plus or minus 0.6 mean? I think that means I don't know. Okay, anyway. There you go. So these things are not hard. Just do whatever it says. If it says add them. If it says subtract, subtract these guys. But you always add the uncertainty. This plus this is this. This plus this is this. You always add uncertainty. Because otherwise, I mean, seriously, if you had a situation where you had like 12.0 plus or minus 0.2 minus 8.0 plus or minus 0.2, right? If you thought you could subtract those uncertainties, you'd have zero uncertainty here, which is not possible, right? You wouldn't add them or subtract them and get zero uncertainty. So anyway, that's how you do those. Those are pretty simple.